Hi everyone, I'm Natasha and today I'm showing you how to resize your ring at home using nail polish. I do want to encourage you to please consider getting a non-toxic nail polish. Nail polish is pretty nasty stuff that can leach toxins into your body even when applied to your nails, and it just freaks me out to think of that being right next to my skin. If you want a totally non-toxic way to resize your ring at home, please check out my post on using food-grade silicone in your ring. But this solution is actually a little bit nicer looking. It's really nice and clear. I've already done it to this ring. You can barely see that it's there. And it's nice and smooth, so it feels much more natural, much more similar to the metal than the silicone, which can be slightly tacky feeling. So you're going to need your rings, your non-toxic clear nail polish. This does dry clear, even though it looks a little milky here. About an inch of tape or so. I'll show you what we'll do with that. And you also need rubbing alcohol to clean your ring off with. So I just cleaned this ring already, so we are good to go. So I'm going to get a piece of tape, and this is going to help while the ring is drying, because otherwise you're going to have to sit there and hold your ring forever, and that's kind of boring. So what you're going to do is just get your piece of tape ready. Mine doesn't want to stick to my backdrop. That's okay. There we go. Get your nail polish, and you want to focus on the back and a little bit onto the sides. And so you're just going to come and apply very carefully a little layer of nail polish. Just like when you're putting nail polish on your fingernails, don't put too much on or else it's going to run. And there you have it. So just a little bit of nail polish. And make sure that you're holding your ring somewhat vertical so that it doesn't start to drip off to one side. And that's where your tape comes in handy. So with the nail polished part down, set it up next to the bottle there and lean it up against the bottle. And the tape helps keep it from rolling away. And let me get my phone here and kind of zoom in so you can see better. There's the ring just leaning up against the bottle, a bit of dried nail polish, and you're just going to let it sit there until it is completely dry. And when it's completely dry, you're going to do it again and again. And I put, I think, 4 total coats on my other ring. So test between each coat, go with however many coats that you need to make your ring fit you. So I really hope that you've enjoyed this quick little video. If you're finding this on YouTube, you can check out the full-length blog post down below and also the link to that way to resize your ring using silicone. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.